We are in Amsterdam. Hey, it's Mia and welcome to my channel. I just want to do a quick intro to tell you what's going on in this video. It has literally taken me forever to do this video. My mom and we took a trip back in December of 2019. So yes, that was almost a year ago to this date. And it has taken me forever to put the videos together, but I've finally done it. Literally, I should have it completed tonight. It is a day before my mom's birthday, and I just want to surprise her with this. So, Mom, if you're watching, happy birthday. I love you so much. I hope you enjoy watching our journey together, and let's watch it. We are at the San Francisco airport getting ready for our trip. We don't exactly know where we're gonna go, but that's part of the adventure. We think we do though, so say hi, Mom.
Hey, I'm excited.
You're
Don't know where I'm gonna end up, but I'm excited.
All right, we'll be back. All right, and we made it to our destination. Can anyone guess where we are by the looks of this? Kind of hard because I'm just standing in the back, but we are in Amsterdam, the Netherlands. So yeah, our plans kind of well, I guess they didn't really change from when we took off, but they have changed a lot. So anyways, we are so excited to be here though. And we got in this morning at like 8 in the morning at the airport, and then we've had our fair share of trying to figure out transportation, getting not really lost, just taking some time. So anyways, we have a good family friend that lives here, and so she is so kind to let us come into her apartment, and so we are here right now, and I look like a mess, I'm sure, because it's been so many days. So I'll fill you in on the rest of our trip, but for now I'm gonna go take a shower, and Mom is doing the same, and then we'll fill you in on the rest of our trip. We'll walk. So here we are at Alina's apartments, just now leaving. Yeah, super cute. There's bikes everywhere because that's all people do here is bike. Yeah. Yeah. So we can't hop on one of those. And here's the canal. Yes, this is the back of their complex right on the canal. It's beautiful. All the buildings.
Such a nice place for a ride.
And then, yeah, they have this little bridge over the canal, and it is for ferries, so it goes up. And so then you have all the people, yeah, that wait, just waiting all morning. Not all morning, but they're waiting to go past it.
We have to get over that.
I know. So,
we're going in search of my coffee. So
yeah.
Don't ask for a coffee shop.
Yeah, don't ask for a coffee shop. It means something completely different. So, okay, I will be back in a minute. so we finally made it to one of my favorite parts of this entire trip. It is Winkel 43. It is one of the cafes in Amsterdam, and they are literally so well known for their apple pie. So let me tell you about this apple pie. If you go on to Yelp or TripAdvisor or any of those different sites, literally they have a 4.5 or above stars. And all the comments talk about the apple pie, and for good reason. It was so good. My mom and I don't really even like apple pie either, and it was delicious. So if you're in Amsterdam, you need to go check this place out. I will link the restaurant in the description below so you can enjoy it too. Okay, and now we decided to go to the cheese museum because I'm obsessed with cheese, and why not? So here's a little peek into that. Some pancakes, lunches, and more goodies.
Hello there. Hi.
We are at the xoxo Museum. I think that's how you pronounce it, maybe not. But, well, we're not actually in it right now, but we're in the outside, and it is so pretty. I wish the lighting was better here, but anyways, it's so pretty. Mom getting pictures. This is the museum. Okay, we're gonna walk to the Van Gogh Museum and look at the Christmas tree. Yes. So here we go.
It's so pretty.
Kind of look like a market or something down there. Oh my goodness, what if it really is? Don't know what exactly the museum is. Oh, but this is so cute over here. Is that an ice ring? Oh my goodness, that's an ice ring.
We need to go take a picture of that for the
Oh my goodness.
Ice rink is the thing.
I haven't ice skated in forever. Oh my god, look at. Oh, is this the like actual one? The touristy area, I guess. There's the ice ring, the Christmas tree, so pretty. I know, doing both. I hope we got in it.
did not actually drop the screen. Decided it wanted to look at
Alright, so I just want to do a really quick recap of our trip. I know, obviously, once again, this is like a year later, but I remember it all. So I obviously did not get a ton of video from our trip. I think I got a decent amount. Not a ton, but my mom and I were literally there for like 36 hours, just a day and a half. It was a very short trip and it was worth every moment, but it was very quick. So if you're considering going to Amsterdam, I know given what life is like right now, it's not necessarily a possibility, but if that is somewhere that you want to go in the future, I highly recommend going for longer. But if you only have 36 hours, you can still make it happen. My mom and I literally, we did everything on foot. We walked that city like from morning to night. It was insane, but we covered like that whole area. And I really feel like we didn't miss out on much. I know that we didn't get to go in any of the museums. Part of that is you have to reserve tickets ahead of time, and with the way that my flight benefits work, it's really risky to reserve things ahead of time. We really focused on just walking the city, and thankfully for having our friend who lives there, she kind of wrote down some of the top places to go to and places to eat at and things like that. So we really tried to hit those up, and it was so worth it. Let me tell you, that apple pie that you see in the video, literally the best thing. It was so good. I still dream about it now. So I need to go back to Amsterdam for 2 reasons: to visit our friend again and for some more of that apple pie. So anyways, it was a great trip. Again, if you have longer, I would highly recommend you go for longer so you could see so much more. There is so much to offer there, and everyone there is just so friendly. Pretty much everyone we ran across spoke English, which was really helpful for us when asking questions, but it was just an incredible place to be. So that's pretty much all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll be able to get a little more next time we go somewhere, and hopefully we'll go to Amsterdam soon as all this craziness clears up. So have a great rest of your day. Love you guys, and talk to you later. Alright, you guys, I do apologize for the bad lighting, and I'm holding this right now, so my hand's probably gonna shake, but I will make this quick, hopefully. So I just want to let you know what other videos I have coming for you. If you don't know, I'm a flight attendant, so I travel for work. I absolutely love it, and I have taken several videos of what my trips are like. If you're interested in flight attendant life, stay tuned. I will have different videos of the trips that I go on, travel and packing tips, and just other random things like that. So let me know if there's anything specific you want to see. Let me know what you thought of this video. If you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. That way I know what you're interested in watching and I know what I can work on. So that's it for today. Again, I apologize for the quality of this, but I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.